Brand new to our inventory at Tameron Gulf Coast, we have this 2017 Ram 1500 Sport Crew Cab pickup. On the exterior, we have power and heated door mirrors, fully automatic headlights, and a rear backup camera system. Inside, you'll find comfortable seating for 5 with heated and cooled front seats, automatic temperature control, and auto-dimming rearview mirror. The 8.4-inch touchscreen display has integrated voice command with Bluetooth technology to keep you connected on the go. This one-owner 2017 Ram 1500 has less than 166,000 miles and comes with the AutoCheck Buyback Protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641 or visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information.